Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best small bookshelves that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Farino 3-tier open shelf bookcase. The main focus of Farino is to introduce new trends of ready-to-assemble (RTA) modern furniture to the people of America. Also, they believed in availability to RTA furniture at the most affordable cost and comfortable living experiences. We choose this product because this shelf can easily fit in your space and budget. Farino 3-tier open shelf is easy to assemble and sturdy on a flat surface. This shelf is made from wood, functional and suitable for any room. Additionally, the Farino 3-tier bookshelf comes in many variants such as 3, 5, 7, 11 cube space. That means you can choose any option according to your needs. At number 4. Humble Crew Kids Book Rack. It's not a hidden secret anymore that managing children's preschool books are very challenging. The Humble Crew Kids shelf is made from wood and nylon. The nylon helps the children to identify and pick the right book quickly. Don't take any stress, the 4 deep nylon slings can hold any book irrespective of any size, which means you can store your books too. The structured and engineered wood construction is easy to clean and assemble. Additionally, this shelf promotes organization and reading skills for boys and girls. The space-saving design can easily fit in your child's bedroom, living room, and nursery. The exciting thing about this store is that it is 100% safe for your child. At number 3. Farino Turn N2. Another product from Farino, which is reliable and highly affordable and easy to assemble. This lightweight shelf is made of wood and PVC material. Farino always pays attention to what they are manufacturing, that's why they made this eyepiece from recycled materials such as rubber, tire, and PVC. This easy-to-assemble product can fit anywhere and comes in many beautiful colors such as pink, brown, black, dark cherry, etc. With Farino Turn N2 bookshelf, you can make your house not only organized but also beautiful. Don't take any stress, Farino Turn N2 bookshelf can hold up to 25 pounds per shelf. At number 2. IrisUSA OWR400BR. Modern design is another aspect to keep in mind when buying useful bookshelves for you. IrisUSA OWR400BR gives you the independence to choose the design which you like. IrisUSA OWR400BR is easy to assemble and can fit in any narrow or tight spaces where traditional shelves cannot. The 5-inch interval can help you to fit other things other than your books. This easy-to-assemble comes with back panel supports that prevent any item from falling back, which means you can store your luxurious items in this bookshelf too. This bookcase is a must-have piece for any living space. 3 adjustable shelves optimize organization and give you versatility for all your storage needs. Display books, candles, collectibles, and more. Assembly required. Finally at number 1. Delta Children MySize Bookshelf. If you have children in your home, it's crucial to buy an extremely safe shelf. We can understand your problems, that's why we include Delta Children Bookshelf in our list. Delta Children's Bookshelf meets all guidelines from CPSC regulations and national safety standards. Delta Children's Bookshelf is easy to assemble, and an affordable shelf that can fit perfectly in any space of your children's room. Delta Children was founded around the idea of making safe, high-quality children's furniture affordable for all families. They know there's nothing more important than safety when it comes your child's space. That's why all Delta Children products are built with long lacing materials to ensure they stand up to years of jumping and playing. Plus, they are rigorously tested to meet or exceed all industry safety standards. This shelf is made of wood and comes with 3 shelves for holding books, toys, etc. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.